If you want to add fingerprint on a Nothing Phone 3, all you have to do is go to Settings. In Settings, we're gonna go to Security and Privacy over here. Then choose Device Unlock, and over here we have Fingerprint. In order to set up fingerprint sensor, you need to have a screen lock password. So if you didn't set it up yet, remember to do that first. So go to the fingerprint, enter the screen lock password. Then you have the screen protector usage tips. So if you have a screen protector, then of course it may affect the fingerprint recognition. And then press setup. Over here we have our sensor, so we need to touch with our finger that we wish to scan, and then lift your finger. And we need to do that several times until this image that we have in the middle of the screen is filled. Of course, you want to try to scan your finger from different angles, so touch it in a different way every time, so that in the future you won't have any issues with unlocking your phone. Once you add your fingerprint, then of course you can add another one. You can also scan the same one again in case you want to be sure that your finger is scanned correctly. Or you can just use another finger. So once it is added, you will see something like this. Press done in the bottom right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.